All right, guys. So I want to talk about how to actually prompt, comments and get engagement that way. So we went over, how to ask for likes, how to ask for subs, how to ask for shares, and basically boost your engagement that way. But now I'm going to talk about how to ask for comments, because comments are crucial. Not only does commenting, prompt an opportunity for you to comment back, which pretty much doubles your engagement on that video, but it also is an opportunity for you to interact with your audience, let them know that, you're not just putting videos out, that you're actually there and you're a human person, which will then increase, the fact that they're going to stay on your channel and stay with your videos and subscribe, which is crucial. But the way that you can basically do this is a way that I'm going to talk about here in a second. Now, I actually did an entire YouTube video on this that I'm going to drop as the next lecture here for you, because I think there's a lot of value in there that you can get from it. So lecture 6, the next lecture, will actually be my YouTube video, which is how to buy YouTube subscribers in 2018 the right way. I'm going to talk about that here in a second. That will be the next lecture, and it's extremely valuable. But I want to, look here for a second at all these videos that I put out, 2-3 weeks ago. You'll see here that they get decent engagement, nothing phenomenal. You're getting like 500, 800 views. They're slowly accumulating upward. Like I said, my channel's not huge by any means. I only have about 3,000 subscribers. So these numbers are pretty good for 3,000 subs right now as we grow. But I get, decent likes, decent engagement, decent comments on most of my videos. But you'll see here, this one with 810 views, with 713 comments and 101 likes. What did I do differently in this video? How did I prompt comment engagement, not just on this video, across the board with all my videos going forward? And obviously it started with this video, and this is something that I've seen other YouTubers do as well. I won't touch on it too much specifically here, because I'm going to drop the video that I did on my YouTube channel as the next lecture and talk about it. But basically what I did is I bought, I basically essentially paid for those comments. So I prompted engagement in the form of comments by offering a giveaway. And that's the secret here. You'll see $400 cash giveaway. So you don't have to offer cash. There's a million different things that you can offer, and I talk about that in the video that I'll drop as the next lecture. So check that out. It's great, and there's a lot of value in it. And I really suggest that you do that, because it will really start to increase your engagement. Now, it'll increase your engagement across the board with all of your videos for sure, but it'll also increase your engagement on this video, and this video will rank higher in search results as well as suggested video. And actually, a lot of my recent subscribers have come from this video, and people see this and they want to subscribe right away. You can also put this video on your homepage. That will also help when people come in and see that. But basically what I'm doing is I'm doing a giveaway. So when people see this, it brings more people into my content through this video, and then they see other content and they comment on other content. It's a great way to do it, and I suggest that you do it yourself. So like I said, you want to buy subscribers the right way, essentially. And that's the key here. Now, I did this video, this is the video I'm going to drop next. It's about 11 minutes long for you. It's phenomenal. It will teach you how to basically buy subscribers. And by buying subscribers, I don't necessarily mean going to, Google and searching, for a place where you can actually buy subscribers, or signing up for a website where you share subs, because that doesn't work. I'm here to tell you that this doesn't work. Not only did I try that when I started, but I've also heard horror stories from other people, as well as people that have just done it, and it's hurt their channel analytics, because those aren't engaged subscribers. They aren't engaged people on your channel. And trust me, YouTube watches those metrics. How many people aren't engaging with your content. That's going to hurt you in the long run. So do not do that. If you're interested in buying subscribers the right way, whether that's through money, like I did, basically giving $400 away on my YouTube channel every month, and that's something that I do every single month too. So if you guys are interested in that, obviously, little plug here, you can go ahead and follow me at BG Media Innovation. That's my channel. That will be linked in the end of this course in the bonus lectures, or you can simply go to youtube.com/BG Media Innovation, BG Media Innovation, and that should pop right up for you. So that'll take you right to my channel, and you can essentially subscribe there. Every single day I give away a free course, like the one you're taking right here. And as well, on top of that, I also give away $400 every single month to a lucky subscriber, or 2 lucky subscribers potentially. So that's what I suggest that you do to prompt comment engagement. Like I said, I won't get into it too much here in this video. I want to drop that next video that I actually did on my YouTube channel, which is how to buy YouTube subscribers in 2018 the right way. And that's basically by prompting comments. And I'm going to drop that as the next lecture, because it's really going to help you out. So I'll see you after you watch that in the next lecture, and then we'll get into another bonus tip, and we'll move forward with some more.